Canoe. Hey, welcome back. This is my Paralympic Games series. We are talking about para-canoeing. It is same rules, but athletes in the Paralympics use either an kayak or an veer. And kayak athletes use a double blade paddle. And veer has a outrigger to help balance, and the athlete uses one blade paddle. The class you're in depends on your boat and your impairment. KL1 propel with just their arms. KL2 and VL2s partially use their trunk and legs. KL3 and VL3 have full usage in their arms and trunk but partial leg function. I have been canoeing before and I sat in a special seat, which is like a high chair that you can put on the dining chair for toddlers. And also they placed a clamp on the boat if I wanted to do a bit of rowing. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video, which is cycling. Bye.